Hello everyone. Hi, this is Weltha. Okay, you guys. So today I'm going to try a viral TikTok Frito corn salad that I saw and it looks so delicious. I just have to try it. Okay. And it's pretty simple. So these are all the ingredients that you're going to need for this viral TikTok Frito corn salad. Okay. So we're going to need some canned corn. Okay, you need the canned corn, and then you're going to need some cilantro, and you can use a lime or a lemon. I have a lime, and also I have lemon juice, so I'm going to use both. And then I have some tomatoes that I chopped up really tiny with my little gadget that I have, and I'll show you guys later. So I chopped up the tomatoes and some bell peppers. So I have the orange bell peppers, and I think I put some yellow bell peppers in there also, you guys. And my extra ingredient that I want to use for mine is some pepperoncinis. Okay. And then you're going to need your Fritos, and I'm going to use the barbecued Fritos. Okay. And I'm going to use and you're going to need some mayo. So I have the real mayo. Okay. And then a little black pepper. So this is it, you guys. This is all we're going to need for this viral TikTok Frito corn salad. Okay. So let me try one of the recipes from TikTok. All right, so let's get started. All right, so let's push this to the side, you guys, and I'll bring my bowl over. All right, so bring the bowl over. All right, okay, so here we go. So first we're gonna add the corn. Okay, sorry, I should have had my spoon ready. We're gonna add this corn. So that's 2 cans of corn I'm using. And then I'm going to use all my vegetables, which are tomatoes that are diced really small and some bell peppers. And I'll use the orange bell peppers. Okay. You know I love my color in my food. Okay. And then I'm going to put the cilantro in. This is what I saw them do. So I'm going to try it, you guys. Trying a TikTok recipe. Okay, and then you guys, I'm gonna add pepperoncinis because I want to have that little taste from just a little pepperoncinis or a lot. I think these pepperoncinis are gonna make it taste so good. Let's put a little bit of that juice in there too. I better measure it, huh? So I'm just gonna use 1/4 cup of the juice. Just a little bit of that juice. Well, I'm not gonna fill a cup up. Yes, I am. 1/4 cup of the pepperoni juice also. Okay. And then you guys, they said you have to add some lime or some lemon or both, which we're going to do both. Hold on, you guys. Ooh. Okay. Let me do this. So this is the lime. Okay, some fresh lime, okay? Ooh, I haven't used this thing in a long time. Probably should have sliced the lime first, but oh well, we got it. We got the juice. Okay, so that's all the juice from the lime. All right, and now I'm gonna add just a tinge of lemon juice. Let me shake it up. I'm gonna add just 1 top of the lemon juice. Okay. All right. Now I'm gonna add some black pepper. Good thing they added black pepper because you know I was gonna add it anyway. Okay. All right. That's enough. All right. Now time for the mayo. Okay. I'm gonna put like 1, 2, 3. So let's see what 3 is giving us. And then we stir all this together, you guys. Excuse me. It looks so good the way they were eating it on the TikTok. I might have put too much juice in mine, but I like it like that. Well, maybe too much, huh? Okay, so let me take some of the juice off of it just a little bit because I put just a little too much of the peppercini juice, okay? And I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so I drained some of the juice off and this is what we're working with. Okay, so it's all done. Now the only thing to add is the chips. And I'm using the barbecue Fritos, okay? So I guess you just sprinkle some of these in there. I'm gonna save some for when we put some on the top. And you just stir it up. Mix all this together. Oops. And we have the viral TikTok Frito corn salad. Okay. It looks good too. Ooh, this looks so good. And I bet those pepperoncinis are gonna make it taste even better. Let me get a spoon. I wanna try it. Let me try it. Ooh, with the Fritos too. Ooh, I love Fritos. One of my favorite chips. And I'm a chipper. I love chips. Mmm. They're right. Okay, TikTok. You guys are right. This is delicious. I gotta let my daughter try this. She'll be home in a few. I'm gonna let her try this. Okay, guys. That's it. So I'm gonna make a plate and put it on display, okay? So this is the viral TikTok Frito corn salad, you guys. Look at that. Don't that look delicious? It tastes so good. Whoever thought of this? Thank you, because I will be keeping this in my fridge. Okay, let me put it on display and I'll be right back. Okay? Okay, guys, and there you have it. You have the viral TikTok Frito corn salad. It was fun to make too, you guys. This tastes so good. I'm going to keep this in my fridge. Okay, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. And please, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what you think. Did I do good, you guys, with this one? Okay, thank you. I tried a TikTok recipe. All right, thank you, guys. I'll see you on the next one. The viral TikTok Frito corn salad. It's so delicious. You guys got to try this one. It's good. The kids did good with this one. Okay, guys, look. Give you a closer look. Don't that look delicious? So delicious. Mmm.